Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your POCO M6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So now let's click settings and let's go over to the sound settings. So let's scroll down here, go to sound and vibration, and here make sure that we change the media volume. And here, as you guys can see, we do not have the call volume. The call volume is only changeable while being in a call with somebody. So try calling somebody up, then just simply increase your volume by pressing on the volume up right here on the side of your phone, and then it should be good. After that, what you guys need to make sure to do is basically disable the do not disturb mode. So scroll a bit down in the sound and vibration settings, and here we will have the do not disturb. As you guys can see, my D&D is already disabled, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys disabling it, because it can also actually implement the issues of the low volume. So as you guys can see here, I can enable it, and now there will be no reminders for incoming calls and notifications. So this can also increase the low volume probability, so we want to disable it. And now after that, we want to try and clean the speaker or headphone port. So if you have problems with your headphones being too quiet and you know they are not like that by default, then try cleaning up your 3.5mm jack port. Basically, this port, if it's stuffed with dirt, it can be still connectable to it. So basically you can still connect your headphones to it, and that's wrong. You can connect your headphones, but you won't get the same volume, because even though the connectivity is still here, your volume maybe not. So try cleaning it up. And also the speaker grill is right here. As you guys can see, we want to make sure that we clean it too. Now after we clean it, what we want to do next is check for software updates. So leave those sound settings. Here, let's go back to the main page and now select About Phone. After selecting About Phone, click on HyperOS. And as you guys can see, I've got an update available myself. So I am on Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.8 right now, and as you guys can see, I have an update to 2.0.201. So this is a big update, as you guys can see, and this update might actually fix any audio glitches that may occur on your device. So make sure to do that update, and that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.